workouts here with the One Shakes, one-on-one with the One Shakes, introducing a little tutorial and going through a few steps that we may be getting right or we may be getting wrong. So here to go through the whole 10th stage and what common mistakes we might make. I have a one-on-one trainee doing the ultimate workouts, keeping it going, keeping it strong, and ultimately never giving up. Let's get into it. Right, so stage one, find yourself a bench or ideally on the floor, and what you really want to do is just lay down on your back, gradually put your knees, bend your knees up here, and stage one is the ankle. Now we don't really want to touch the ankle, it's just a raise, trying to raise your hands to the ankle as shown here. Slight crunch on the abs, just keep going for me. Just raising those shoulder blades. Once you raise the shoulder blades, that is your movement. You do not need to go and really stretch for those ankles. You just want to crunch the abdominals. Stage two. Will be performed as the scissor kicks. What we want to do on the scissor kicks is just leave all the weight on your hip flexors, my bad, and just chop as if your scissors. Try and keep, see, one here, you see his knees bending a little bit. That's not what we want, that's not what we're after. We need straight legs. So if you stop, straight legs, straight knees, and you're only moving from here and not anywhere else. If you notice the difference, hard rock abs right here, ladies and gentlemen. That's your scissor kicks. Moving on to stage three. Stage three, similar, crunch, working the full abdominals, and correction, you want to bring your knees slightly further, so you're just trying to slide in knee touch. You're trying to slide so that if you have your knees too close to your body, then you're not getting a stretch. You're trying to crunch yourself too much. So ideally, if you want to move back a little bit, there we go. That's your sliding knee touch. So it's further, it's making you stretch. If you're not, that's the stretch that we're looking for. Working on full abdominals. Stage four.